Our single mount monitor desk clamp can be used to fix a 15 or 21-inch monitor to any appropriate desk. Attach the base portion of the desk clamp to the mounting pole using the provided screws. Next, apply the adhesive discs to the desk clamp for grip. Attach the top portion of the desk clamp to the base portion, once again using the fixing screws provided. The mount can now be fixed to a desk. Position the mount over the edge of the desk and tighten using the tightening grip. Slide the mounting arm onto the mounting pole and secure using the 6mm hex key. Make sure the mounting arm is fully secure to hold the monitor. Clip on the cable management clips and remove the security screw. A monitor can now be fixed to the completed mount.